Hello there, ladies and gentlemen. In this Linux tutorial, we are going to have a quick word on comments. Now, what are comments used for? Well, comments are only used for human readableness. That is, you use comments to indicate to yourself or to some other human who is going to be reading your script about different script parts. Okay? So basically, you include comments. Let's say that we had some code here, okay, some code here, and then some code here. And let's say we wanted to write a quick summary of what the code does, okay? Then we would actually write a hashtag, and then we would write, for example, the code above does XYZ, okay, where XYZ is the functionality which we intended to achieve with the code above. Okay, now note that comments start with a hashtag and they're in that regard similar to the shebang. However, the shebang has the exclamation mark while comments do not. Okay, so actually this is a comment, this is a shebang. Okay, and again, comments serve for human readableness. And if you are going to have a big shell script or even a small shell script, it would actually be a good idea for you to include maybe in the beginning or anywhere in the shell script the comment which describes what the script is supposed to do. Okay, so comments serve for humans. And again, I will tell you as a software engineer, it is a very, very, very good idea to write comments. Okay, don't really write comments for every single little thing because that's really bad. That clutters up the code. But some comment here and there really helps you, especially if you're going to be writing a shell script and you will revisit it in a couple of months or in a couple of years or in a year. That's really going to help you. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. I hope you'll subscribe, share, like, and whatever else with the content, interact with the content. I almost forgot. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Talk soon.